How to make group admin on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Make sure that you open the particular group chat. And after that, tap Group Info at top left corner of the screen. From here, you need to scroll down. And under Add Members, you will see the different members of your group. Simply, in order to make group admin, you need to tap on particular chat or member and a pop-up message appear on your screen. Select Make Group Admin option and after that you will see that next to their name you will be able to find out Group Admin. So now we have successfully added one of the admin on our WhatsApp group. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.